Welcome back, everybody. It's Peter from Teknetics Smile. I'm at a local park today. I'm going to be giving you some tips and tricks to help you when you're out metal detecting the parks. I can't guarantee that you're going to have a wonderful find, but I can guarantee you're going to have fun with your metal detector. All right, keep digging. So there's one thing you want to do when you're metal detecting the park, and that is making sure you have permission first. Do not go onto any property without having first asked and getting the landowner's permission, because you don't own the park, the public owns the park, and you don't want to ruin it for all other metal detectors. So please ask before you get on the property. One tip I wanted to tell you for sure, the best time to metal detect a park like the one I'm at today is when there's no games. You don't want to be disrupting the baseball games, and you don't want to disrupt people at the park. So don't go when there's a tournament or stuff and there's a big party. Just wait till after. You'll be able to metal detect, no one will bother you, and you'll have an excellent time. All right, I want to show you my park setting. So if I go into menu and I go into discrimination and I go to expert, I'm running the 3 tones, and what I change is the first tone I got as 100, the second tone I got as 518, and usually I bump that down 1 notch to volume 9, and then I go down, and this last bucket, I call it 72. I can adjust that back and forth, but I run that a very high, so when I skim over a target, it you really hear it. So that's those are my settings for park, and I'm using the square tone. So all right, I hope that helps. All right, so here again, we're swinging, and then we have that hit. Do you hear that? It's just a quick whoop. And there we got a 92, so I'm almost positive we got another quarter, but let's take the pinpointer and we'll see. And let's see here, what do we got? Do we got a quarter? I saw something there, I thought. Yep, right there it is. And I'm gonna fix that back, smooth that over, and there we go. We got a quarter. Okay, as I said, with the settings the way they are like that, I mean, it just stops you right in your tracks. And I mean, you know, you got a good target, you got a nice tone, you got a big got a high number. So let's dig it up here and see what we got. So we got an 88.89, and I'm gonna bet a dime. And there we are, we got a dime. All right, I'm up here near the concession stands, and even though there's, if you see down here, even though there's just rocks, you can still use the program on the gravel. I mean, just the Deus 2 gives you a skid plate, I call it, so you can skim across and not worry about hurting your coil. But sometimes coins are laying right on top, and you can just grab them then. You don't even need to dig. It's really cool when you get your program set up like this, because it really works in these parks. You can also go around park benches. at the park. All right, an 85, 89. And sometimes they're hard to see, but if you look right here, right there's a penny laying on top. So like I said, this program works in the stones and the gravel. There you go, penny. Got another squeak, and there we go. Let's go down here. I think we'll use the pinpointer again, and let's pop this up, and there you go, another quarter. Sweet. I love finding these quarters. And also, don't forget to get next to your bleachers, because people come off the bleachers, they go to the concession stand, they have coins and money in their hand, and then they drop it. Another good place is along the fence. People always stand and they're looking at the game. Maybe they're getting in their pocket for their cell phone, and then they drop their coins. And there's a couple targets here. Someone was here standing, talking, getting in their pockets, and then boom, lost a penny. And you always check around, because if you saw there was another target. So let's see, we got another target down here. Do we got a dime? Yes, we do. There we go. We got a dime. Again, you just keep trying and you'll find them. Oh, there's a quarter. There it is. Quarter time. Oh, right there. There's another quarter. Sometimes the targets are right on the surface and you don't even need to dig. I mean, this one sounded very close to the surface, and look at there, right on top. I think I got a penny. There I do. I got a penny. Just land right on top. Okay, another thing you can do is, I mean, I'm trying to metal detect against this fence, but the fence is metal. And of course, the coil is gonna not like the metal fence, and it's gonna false. So something you can do, and you can do this in most metal detectors, the Deus, you click your menu button, you scroll down till you get to your sensitivity, and you just lower it down. Let's say to 80. Now let's try, and let's see. And look at there. Now I'm getting a 95. So I think I got a quarter down here. So let's get the pinpointer and see what we got. And there we go. There we go. A quarter right along the fence. So that's a little tip to get closer to the fence. Just lower that sensitivity down. Another place to metal detect is right in front of the dugout, because the players are coming in and out. They might have coins in their pockets. They're getting ready to go up to bat, and then they lose their change. And let's see what we got here. And there we go. There's a dime right in front of the dugouts. Another great place when you're at a park. All right, don't be afraid. There's another high tone. Don't be afraid to go over the spot you just went, because when you're detecting, you never have it hunted out. There's always coins that people miss, so don't get upset if you go and you see someone else metal detecting and you're like, oh, they got it all, there's nothing left. They didn't get it all, and there's still some for you. And as people come and go, example in this baseball field, there's still coins that are waiting to be found. So don't give up. There we go, another coin. And I'm just working my way slow back and forth. And I'm in the same area, right near the concession stands. Oh, and look at there. Look at that. And that is a little ring. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's a little nice ring. I don't see a marking yet. Let me bring it up to my eyes and see. No markings, but definitely a nice little ring. And that's exactly how this park program works. And I can't guarantee you'll find a ring, but I can guarantee you that you're gonna have fun when you're out. Do we have another coin? I think we do. I think we got another coin. Let's see. Do we got a coin in here? Yep, there it is. There is another quarter. Another Eagleback. 81. Nice. All right, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this tips and tricks metal detecting adventure at the park. I hope it helps, and I hope it makes you a better detectorist. If you like this content, please like, subscribe, and share. And thanks for everyone that watches my channel. It gives me great joy to make these videos, and I just love hearing the comments. Reading the comments. Correction. All right. So, keep digging.